In this video, we will study incomplete dominance. In a plant called dog plant, snapdragon, or scientific name is Antirrhinum majus species. A major species is there, so many species. In this plant, when red colored flowered plant were crossed with white colored flowered plants, in the F1 generation all plants were of pink type. Neither they were red type nor they were white type, they were pink type. In Mendelism, you've seen that either of the two is dominant, whereas here neither of the two is dominant, and in the F1 an intermediate situation is being found. And when these pink are crossed with pink, means F1 is crossed with F1, in the F2 generation red, pink and white, all three are observed in the ratio of 1:2:1. I've told you earlier that if 1000 plants are found, out of this 50% will be of parental type, और ये वाले means 500 ये वाले होंगे और 500 ये वाले होंगे. Clear? 250 250 and 500. So ratio इसीलिए हम हमेशा लिखते हैं. Clear? Now what is the explanation? So there is a pair of factors for this. Let's name them R. There is a pair of factor for this. Dominance नहीं है इसलिए मैं इसको अलग recessive symbol नहीं दे रही. Okay? So pair of factors for white is W, and this is RW. Since gametes produced by this will be R type, gametes produced by this will be of this type. If this gamete fertilizes this, they will be RW or pink type. This is F1 generation. Now these pink will produce two types of gametes, either R type or W type. Same as this pink, it will also produce the same gametes, R type or W type. If this fertilizes this fertilizes this, same as in monohybrid cross, AWA. So this will be white, these two are pink, and this one is red. Now what is the explanation? क्या वजह है? What is the reason? You know, the enzymes, some of the enzymes are responsible for production of enzymes. You know, this is the snapdragon. These are red color. Red color is produced by an enzyme from a substrate. Means substrate is converted into a product with the help of an enzyme. Now this enzyme is coded by this gene. Okay, so color is being produced. Sometimes when the gene is modified, in the next chapter we will study कि modification कैसे होती है. If this gene is modified, this enzyme is number one not normal, enzyme not normal, or it is less efficient. Means if enzyme is produced but उसकी efficiency कम हो गई है तो color is not being produced. Second, the enzyme is not at all functional, non-functional. So if the enzyme is not working, this situation can be there. And enzyme is not at all produced, no enzyme at all. So if in these three conditions any of these three conditions will result in the formation of no color. Clear? So this is the explanation. Modification of the enzyme results in production of in hampering of the production of enzymes which are converting a substrate into a product in this case is an pigment. Okay, so the pigment is not being produced, so or it is produced in less quantity, so the color is pink. Red की जगह pink आ गया.
Chromosomal theory of inheritance was proposed by Sutton and Bowery, and it is the chromosomes and genes are present in pairs in diploid cells. The homologous chromosomes, they separate during meiosis, and fertilization restores the chromosome number of the diploid organism. So what is the chromosomal theory? Chromosomal theory states that the chromosomes segregate independently and the chromosomes assort independently. Mendelism stated that genes separate होते हैं, but genes are situated on the chromosome. In this picture you can see genes in the form of rings, they are present on the chromosomes, and it is the chromosomes which will segregate during meiosis, and chromosomes will show independent assortment. Genes occupy a special place on the chromosome which is called the locus. Every gene has a special place. In this picture you will see a pair of homologous chromosomes, and there are two possibilities. In the first left side you can see blue is pairing with blue, whereas in the right side you can see blue is pairing with the red chromosome. So during meiosis, anaphase stage, these chromosomes, meiosis 2, these chromosomes are going to split and form gametes, and in both the situation you can see red can go with blue and red can go with red also. So these two possibilities means they are independently assorting. Chromosomes can go with any of the two, means any pair they can pair. So this is showing that chromosomes are assorting independently and chromosomes are segregating. Chromosomes will segregate. Next video will be on linkage and recombination. So please like and